So based on our chairman's call and Mr. Vijay Kavala's directive, so we manufacturing in last 2 days we are working on how we can manufacture ventilator at our manufacturing facilities. Last 2 days we are surfing on a lot of internet stuff. So what exactly is ventilator? And as we understand, there are 3 different types of ventilator. One is the very simple type of ventilator, which is a self-inflating manual type of unit. Second is the portable unit, which is generally used by a patient or at some primary healthcare centers. And third is generally used at the ICU, which is an invasive type of ventilator. Now we are sharing all this information to Mr. Lalit Verma, who will take it forward so that we can scale it up.
As a second part, we are working on automating this manual inflating bag. As we all know that we have to keep a distance when we treat about the patient with coronavirus, we thought of automatic this mechanism with giving automatic pressing. And while doing the automatic pressing, we have tried with different mechanisms. One is with the pneumatic one, second is with the cam operated one, third is with the servo controlled one. This is a prototype which we have done. And now we have finalized all the specs and we will be going ahead with this prototype.
This is an automatic servo mechanism where the servo motor is giving the linear motion to the ambu bag and an adequate amount of air is being generated which can be given to the patient.
It's just a perfect day to rise, rise.
So with an excellent team effort, we were able to make this conceptual prototype in 2 days' time. Now our plan is to make 3 more prototypes in next 2 to 3 days' time, so that which is more lighter and compact, and we'll firm up the design specification so that we can scale it up further.